Hi, my name's Jess. I'm a teacher. Welcome to English Treasure Kids. Would you like to learn some new words? It's not hard. Let's go. Look at these pictures. See the stormy ocean. See the stormy ocean. See the stormy ocean. Now another one. Ooh, see the empty island. Wow. See the empty island. See the empty island. There's nothing on it. Now look at this one. See the dry desert. Ooh, see the dry desert. See the dry desert. This one's different. See the yellow field. See the yellow field. See the yellow field. One last one. Ooh. See the dirty ground. See the dirty ground. Dirty. See the dirty ground. Okay, let's practice using these words. Listen to these sentences. Can you find the missing words? Okay, are you ready? Good. There are many islands in the ocean. There are many islands in the ocean. Once more. There are many islands in the ocean. Let's try another one. Deserts have very little water. Deserts have very little water. They're dry. Last time. Deserts have very little water. You're doing great. Last sentence. The flowers are growing in the field. The flowers are growing in the field. The flowers are growing in the field. Good job, everyone. Now it's your turn to practice speaking. Watch this video. I'll say some sentences, and then it will be your chance to repeat them. Watch and listen. The fields are green with grass. There are cows standing in the field. They are peacefully eating the grass. The houses are far away. Okay, now it's your turn. Listen and repeat after me. The fields are green with grass. Your turn. Good job. There are cows standing in the field. You know. Fantastic! They are peacefully eating the grass. You go. Good job! Last one. The houses are far away. You go. Wonderful! Good work, everyone. The fields are green with grass. There are cows standing in the field. They are peacefully eating the grass. The houses are far away. Okay, Now we'll look at the words we learned. Are you ready? Stormy ocean, empty island, dry desert, yellow field, dirty ground. Once more. Stormy ocean, empty island, dry desert, yellow field, dirty ground. Fantastic job, everyone! If you liked the video, like it and share it. If you loved it, subscribe to the channel. Bye!